Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, display panel assembly, display bezel, hinge covers, display bezel trim, and display panel. Removal: partially remove the left wireless antenna cable from its routing channel on the display enclosure. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam board. Guide the display panel cable underneath the left wireless antenna cable and remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Remove the display panel cable. Replacement: carefully guide the display panel cable under the left wireless antenna cable and connect the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam board. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure and press down along the display panel cable to adhere it into place. Route the left wireless antenna cable through its routing channel on the display enclosure